Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Here we have a crab spider. I managed to get down to genus, but species identification might be impossible. A lot of times, dissection is required for species ID. Here he is on a goldenrod flower, waiting to ambush prey. I can't wait to see how many species of crab spiders we find on lifers. I just can't get enough of life in all of its beautiful forms. Alright, see you next time on Lifers. Subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. I don't want anyone to miss out on all the species we're going to find.